name is Julia. I work for the City of Markham in the Aquatics Department at Thornley and Thornhill Pool. Today I'm going to take you through a 911 call. I hope that you never have to make this call, but in the situation that you do, I hope you have all the information that you need. Few things to remember. Make sure that you stay calm and that you are clear and concise in all the information that you say. I know that the situation is stressful, but this will help the dispatcher get all the information that they need. If you are by yourself in the house, please put the dispatcher on speaker and never hang up. If you have somebody else in the household, get them to make the call.
(911) Do you require police, ambulance, or fire?
Ambulance, please.
What is the address?
123 Sesame Street.
What is the closest intersection?
Bayview and John.
What city is it in?
Thornhill, Markham.
Is this a house or an apartment?
House.
What is the easiest access point?
The front door. Also, tip. If you have somebody else in the house, get them to guide the paramedics in. If you're by yourself, unlock the front door.
What is your phone number?
905.
What is your name?
Julia.
How many victims?
One male victim.
What is the condition of the victim?
So this is my brother. He's 11 years old, male. He just had a chocolate bar. His tongue is swelling up. He's itchy around his throat. And I noticed that around his mouth, he's breaking out in a rash.
Does he have any medical conditions?
Yes, anaphylaxis.
Are they on any medication?
He's not on daily medication, but he does have an EpiPen.
How are you treating the victim?
So we got him off the chair. We're reassuring him and keeping him calm. I just called EMS, so I called you. I administered the EpiPen, and I massaged around the area and continuously monitoring his airway, breathing, and circulation.
You're doing great. Paramedics are on their way. They should be there in approximately 10 minutes. You may hang up now.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for joining me today. I hope that you found this information useful. Take care and stay safe.